welcome to yet another episode of Style File, and I am Priya. Today here I am at Commercial Street. It's a mad rush of people. Diwali is just round the corner and you see people all around you shopping for clothes, accessories, apparels and jewelry. Today I am here at Sri Krishna Diamonds and Jewelry. Sri Krishna was established on 8th of November 2001 with the intention of bringing in all kinds of jewelry under one roof, starting from silver to ethnic gold to modern to contemporary designs, diamonds, semi-precious and precious stones. Let's go in and check out this store. Come. Right now, I'm at the ground floor of Sri Krishna, and this floor basically showcases bridal jewelry, the ethnic collection, along with the bangles and kadas. And to take me through this journey, I have with me Vikas Jain, who is the store manager. Good evening, Vikas.
Hello.
Yes, Vikas, tell me more about ethnic jewelry. What kind of designs do you exactly mean when you say ethnic jewelry?
Ethnic jewelry is traditional jewelry. It
Okay.
consists of artifacts like old Lakshmi.
All right. It basically belongs like jewelry from the olden era. Okay, our
It is.
grandmother's generation.
Yeah, definitely. All those are started with rubies and other precious
Okay.
stones,
All right.
which are in uncut proportions.
Okay, uncut proportion kind of jewelry.
Yeah.
Well, because we have been talking about this ethnic jewelry, especially based on the traditional lines. Could we look at some of this jewelry? Okay, here with me I have these bangles which are imported from Dubai, and they come with rhodium polish. And these bangles, the unique part about these bangles is that they have diamonds that actually move. If you could see, these diamonds actually move up and down. They're called as the moving stones kadhas. So these are very unique. These have not been seen before. These are really nice, Vikas. Move over to the bridal section and see all those big nice jewelry that is used by the brides.
Definitely.
Yes.
Something like this one is there, this one is there. These are owned by North Indian people.
Okay, basically like the Punjabi families. I've seen them, you know, they were.
were.
Yes, necklaces. Yes. This one's very pretty though. This one and this one. Yes.
This one is going to look great on you. Would you want to try it?
Yes, sure, why not? Here I am getting dressed as a bride. All right, here it comes. Here we go. All right. So here I am wearing one of the traditional bridal collection from Sri Krishna. It comes with its unique earrings also, I guess, Vikas. Oh yes. These are a little too heavy for me. So, there we go, the bridal collection at Sri Krishna. Well, because some of these precious beads are really beautiful, especially ones like these small ones, these emerald, if I'm not wrong, I think they're called. On that note, Vikas, I'd like to thank you for guiding me, and now I'd like to make my way to the second floor where I believe you all have the diamond section.
Yes. Thank you. It was pleasure meeting you.
Yes, thank you so much, Vikas. Here I am walking towards the second floor, which is the diamond jewelry here at Sri Krishna. I have the privilege of having the owner of the diamond section, Kishan Surana. Hello, Kishan.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, I believe I am now standing at the most richest floor of Sri Krishna. Am I right?
Well, it is up to your imagination. There's much more to it.
All right. Kishan, I've heard something to the extent that diamonds are supposed to be dosham free. All the diamonds here at your store are dosham free diamonds?
It's a very important question you've asked me, and we make sure that each and every diamond is dosham free. Is just because here we value the South Indian clientele we have. Their sentiment is to wear only flawless diamonds. So that is the process. That is the reason we do a process called quality checking, and then there are gemologists from IGI, graduate gemologists from IGI and GI, Gemological Institute of America.
Okay.
They are well trained to see the quality of the diamond, and they make sure that each and every diamond, whatever is set in our jewelry, is absolutely flawless. That is dosham free.
Yes, Kishan, and all these diamonds here are set in 18 karat gold or 22 karat gold?
Diamonds